Hey everybody, this is Kirk from Brickbox.io. In today's demonstration, we're going to show you how to create a Brickbox instance, install a Jupyter Notebook, and then create an SSH tunnel to connect to the Jupyter Notebook through our browser. So the first thing we're going to want to do is come over here and click Place Brick, and this will provision a new instance here at the Brickbox data center. Once the instance is created, you'll be assigned a unique SSH address and port number to connect to. As with everything Python, there are 1,000 ways to do everything. So in this scenario, we are going to use the pip package manager to install our Jupyter Notebook. Once the Jupyter Notebook is installed, we will go ahead and run the command Jupyter Lab, and this will create the Jupyter Notebook and start the server. Next, we want to open a new terminal, and this is where we will create our SSH tunnel. And what we're basically doing is we were forwarding the port 8888 at the Brickbox data center and mapping it to our port 8888 at our local host. And once the tunnel is created, we were able to copy the link that the terminal output earlier in the video and visit it through the browser, and we will have a working Jupyter Notebook. Stay tuned for more examples and demonstrations on how to use the Brickbox.io platform for your artificial intelligence and machine learning needs.